Hi guys, this is Zoe from CJdropshipping. Building a brand is no longer a secret for us. Whether you are dropshipping newbies or an expert, especially when running an independent store. But how to make your brand store shine out among others? How to convince customers to choose you, not other competitors? And how to attract long-term customers for sustained margins? I have separated into 4 steps to help you guys redefine what's branding and brand business. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and light the like to show your support. Light up the bell at the same time so you won't miss out on the latest product recommendations and dropshipping tricks. What's brand? A brand means your business identity. It's not just a name or a logo. A brand is everything about your audience perceive you. You can see a brand as a person. We can take Demi as an example. If I want to introduce Demi to my friend, I will need to know her characteristics, then introduce her to friends who share the same value or hobbies. Demi, from China, loves traveling and painting. She's outgoing, willing to help others. So I will introduce Demi to other friends who like to draw or travel and have an open personality. Building the characteristic is also build the solid base of your brand. Targeting your audience. To begin with, we need to decide the main products of your stores or to target a particular kind of audience. For example, mother and baby products targeting audience is parents. It will be hard to name your store when products are random. Then we need to do audience research for a given niche or products of you or find out the connection between your products and your potential targeting customers. Do they need your products or be interested in your products? The following point can help you understand your audience more. First, age range. Second, gender. 3, geography include location, time zone, nationalities. 4, language. 5, income. 6, life stage. 7, interests. 8, challenge or pinpoints. Also, you can proceed with competitor research to see how they achieve success. After you learn everything you need to from both your target audience and your competitors, you can start to building your own brand now. Create brand personality. When we have confirmed the brand targeting audience, it's time we can begin to sharpen the brand personality. When talking about brand personality, we always think about the brand name, logo, font, and web design. However, these are only the basic framework of your brand. You can name your website by yourself or hire someone professional to do it for you. The same for logo, font, and web design. Some people will use Fiverr to find the correspondence professionals, but there's more. Brand generators like Nameless, Shopify business name generator, and business name generator can help you struggle with your catchy name. For logo design, you could use Hash4 or Design Evil. You will get hundreds of available logo options. Just pick your niche, choose a visual style, and they will pop out. More useful tools for store building can be found on CJdropshipping.com. Check out our previous video for how to start your dropshipping quickly. Compare with a catchy name, a good logo, and typography. The more important thing is we need to make sure that content that you are creating should be related to your audience. The next 4 points will satisfy the personality of your brand. First, values. Second, frustrations. 3, desire and aspirations. 4, influence and purchasing decisions. So make sure your brand name, the value your brand presents, all the content presented on your website, social media like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest are all matching with your audience. Make your own packaging. Third, pick the packaging of your product and print it. Dropshipping without a custom packaging can quickly reveal that your store is not a real brand. You're just a middleman. You can easily lose customers' trust and lower brand authority simply by that. So after you make your own logo, you can print your packages with a special brand logo and replace it with a formal one. If you think it's time resuming to repackage your products one by one, you can find someone else to do it for you. CJ Packet is a great choice, and it has a special package produced department to make your design come true. Come to my CJ Packaging and upload your design. We will print, pack, and ship it for you. We make all kinds of packaging including customer zipper bags, clothes bag, a shipping bag, clothes tags, thank you cards, even stickers. Come to my custom packaging to make your custom packaging real. Maintain a good reputation. At last, to keep the consumer loyal to your brand, we need to pay attention to these aspects. Product quality. Try your best to keep your product quality to meet up with your ads. It's good to sourcing products on different platforms to find good ones. Shipping. Usually you will see that delivery time can take more than 1 month with some delivery service. This is definitely not good for your brand's reputation. Try to make your shipping time under 15 days or even 10 days. Customer services. It's very important to listen and answer every question from your customers. If your customers want a refund of their purchases or exchange products, remember to deal with every of those sincerely and properly. Be responsible for every order. Identify your targeted audience is not a case of guesswork. It's an informed process that will help you create your brand impact and connect with the customers. In the long run, branding will make your store outshine and distinguish from other stores. That's all for today's video about building your brand. Audience in front of screen, since you have watched this video from the beginning to the end, why not hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Comment below to let us your opinion about branding. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends or coworkers. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!